start of every great adventure starts with a Chipotle burrito. Say hi, guys. Alright, we'll be checking in on the trails. Alright guys, for dinner tonight, we got some nice ribeye steak, nice USDA prime ribeye. Cooking some zucchini. We got our ice cold fridge over here, keeping all our meats nice and cold on the trip. While it's been like 103 outside. Got our nice ice cold strawberry pineapple fruit car. And I can't wait for dinner because I didn't eat lunch today because we had a little bit of a problem on the trail today. But let's get this meat all cooked and get ready for dinner. Moments like these are why we get out and go camping and just explore. Like this is just beautiful. And alright, I have to go get my awesome picture right here. Monument Valley. I've always seen this place as a kid, like in cartoons and other things like that. Finally made it out here. Now we're on our way to, I think it's called the Mexican Hat. So I'll get some more footage when I make it up there. Alright, thanks guys. Just made it to our first trail on Moab. Everyone's starting to air down. Everyone's got such a fancy, different contraption for airing down. Let's see. I'm already aired down to 42. This is an easy trail. Or 36, I'm sorry. Got the F-150 over here. Let's see, what device is he using to air down? Is that the ARB tool right there? ARB quality. We got John's ass right here. How's John airing down today? Let's see, what do you got there?
I'm doing a combo
right there, huh?
I got a $3 slime pressure gauge. And then I got my little my DIY self-deflator thing.
Everyone's got their little systems all that work for their cars. Maybe I should call them rigs, not cars. They might get offended. We got the Honda CR-V over here. How's he airing down? What technique are we using over here?
Cheapo slime thing.
Hey, you know what? When in doubt, cheapo works, man. And on the Gladiator over here, he's got some crazy air down system. What are you running on this?
Huh?
What's your air down method, huh?
I just plug them in and let it go.
Look at that. Hooks up all 4 tires. Deflates them all with one little simple valve. Mr. fancy pants over here, you know.
Well, when it's fucking hot, dude. Right?
Those Oakley shades, you know.
Can't be all cool, Mally Pim.
How did you deflate today?
I use tire deflators.
Trusty tire deflators. Awesome. On the Subaru over here, how's he deflating?
Just this little guy.
The trusty little deflator.
Small tires means it's fast either way.
And this guy way over here. How are you deflating?
The fancy tool.
The fancy carrier tool. And yet we got a bone stock Ford Expedition over here. It's gonna do the whole trail, no problem. All right, we'll get more content on the trail.
Got balls engaged. Still haven't found an obstacle to use it on, but at least it's ready to use. So on these water crossings, you want to be careful. No matter what you drive, you want to be careful about hydrolocking your engine. If you splash through these at high speed, you could suck in water. These are pretty shallow, but if it was just a little bit deeper and longer, you can totally not only hydrolock but also take out your alternator. And that could go for I've heard of guys with Toyota Tundras trying to cross the Moab Road at a speed faster than they should be crossing. And of course, with the crossover, same thing could definitely happen as well, because the alternator is lower to the ground. I'm manually turning my camera. There we go. Man, this trail is beautiful. I'm pretty sure we're even going to come across trails that are even nicer tomorrow, like the Schaefer Trail.
Everyone in the back, stay tight together. Needs to be pulled, or Nesco is probably the best one to do it.
Yeah, that's what I was shooting for.
Alright, here we go. So, Dark Star just doesn't have power steering. That's all. Now we got a night ground.
It's probably a really good thing we weren't stuck in the middle of some no-name trail when this happened.
True.
I kind of think it sheared out the threads on the rack.
Whatever you think is safer, man. Like driving on the highways without power steering, with 35-inch tires, that could be kind of dangerous, it sounds like.
I mean, you might also want to just call around in Moab. They might have what you want. I'm pretty sure the reason why it won't thread back in is because I'm pretty sure the threads got ripped out.
Do you think we could just pull it out? Because it doesn't seem like it's that hard to pull out, and then use a phone to take a picture, and then we could see.
That's a good idea, actually. But it, like, steering I think will be okay, I just don't have power steering. And as long as the truck's moving, it's not bad to turn.